I have this snippet and I want to find out how to change the default setting of my toggle command to no. Let's ask in the forum. I highlight my snippet contents, right-click, and copy. Next, I click on the community link at the top of my dashboard, which takes me to the forums. I click on Questions and Help and New Topic to start a new thread. As soon as I fill out the subject line, the panel on the right provides me with a list of topics that might help me with my question. Next, I click on the gear icon and choose Text Place Snippet. This creates a block of code where I can paste the snippet contents that I copied from my dashboard. Now, the panel on the right shows a preview of my question together with a dynamic version of my snippet. This means that other users can see the snippet code in order to help me out and test how the snippet works. You can also copy dynamic snippets to your dashboard. Here are two useful snippets that someone has posted on the TextPlace Snippet Exchange forum. To copy this snippet, I click on Copy to TextPlace. Next, I click Save, and a copy of the snippet is added to my collection, so I can use it anywhere in my Chrome browser. As you get more confident with TextPlace, you'll start creating your own awesome snippets. You can share these on the forum so that other users can benefit from them. To do this, just click at the bottom right of your snippet window. Fill in the description and click Publish. You'll be given a link to the forum page where your snippet was published, so you can try out your cool creation on the forum and share it with anyone you want.